Well, I want all of you, all the choirs here tonight, to roar out the chorus of this one because it sounds great if everybody sings it. It's one of my own favourite songs and it's called Will You Go Lassie Go.
Oh, the summer time is come and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to Pond Wild Mountain thyme, all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? I will build my love a bower by yon pure crystal fountain, and around it I will place all the flowers of the mountain. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to Pond Wild Mountain thyme, all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? If my true love she were gone, I would surely find another to Pond Wild Mountain thyme, all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to Pond Wild Mountain thyme, all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to Pond Wild Mountain thyme, all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? As we gather in the chapel here in old Kilmainham jail, I think about these past few weeks. Oh, will they say we failed from our school days? They have told us we must yearn for liberty. Yet all I want in this dark place is to have you here with me. Oh, grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love, I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Now I know it's hard for you, my love, to ever understand the love I bear for these brave men, my love for this dear land. But when Parry called me to his side down in the GPO, I had to leave my own sick bed. To him I had to go. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love, I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Now as the dawn is breaking, my heart is breaking too. On this May morn, as I walk out, my thoughts will be of you. And I'll write some words upon the wall, so everyone will know I loved so much that I could see his blood upon the rose. Oh, Grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love, I'll place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, for we must say goodbye. Oh, there won't be time to share our love, so we must say goodbye. Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The summer's gone and all the flowers are dying. 'Tis you must go and I must bide. But come ye back when summer's in the meadow, or when the valley's hushed and white with snow. 'Tis I'll be here in sunshine or in shadow, Danny boy, oh Danny boy, I love you so. And if you come when all the leaves are dying and I am dead, as dead I well may be, you'll come and find the place where I am lying and kneel and say an Ave there for me, and I shall hear though soft you tread above me, and all my grave will sweeter, softer be, for I shall know you tell me that you love me, and I shall rest in peace until you come to me. I wish I was in Carrickfergus, only for nights in Ballygrand. I would swim over the deepest ocean, only for nights in Ballygrand. But the sea is wide and I cannot swim over, and neither have I the wings to fly. I wish I had a handsome boatman to ferry me over. My love and I, my childhood days, bring back sad reflections happy times we spent so long ago. My boyhood friends and my own relations have all passed on now, like melting snow. And I've spent my days in ceaseless roving. Soft is the grass and my bed is free. Ought to be back now in Carrickfergus on that long winding road down to the sea. Now in Kilkenny, it is reported on marble stones there, as black as ink, with gold and silver. I would support her, but I'll sing no more now till I get a drink. 'Cause I'm drunk today, and I'm seldom sober. A handsome rover from town to town. Oh, but I'm sick now. My days are numbered. Come on, you young men, and lay me down. Twas down by Christchurch that I first met with Annie, a gentle young maiden and not a bit shy. She told me her daddy, who came from Dungannon, would take her back home in the sweet by and by. And what's it to any man, whether or no, whether I'm easy or whether I'm true? As she lifted her petticoat, daisy and slow, and I tied up me sleeve for to buckle her shoe. If ever you go to the town of Dungannon, you may search till your eyes they are empty and blind. You walking or running or sitting or standing, a girl like Annie you never will find. And what's it to any man, whether or no, whether I'm easy or whether I'm true? As she lifted her petticoat easy and slow, and I tied up my sleeve for to buckle her shoe. Down along Thomas Street, down to the Liffey, the sunshine was gone and the evening grew dark. Along by Kingsbridge and begone in a jiffy, me arms were round her beyond in the park. And what's it to any man, whether or no, whether I'm easy or whether I'm true? As I lifted her petticoat easy and slow, and I tied up me sleeve for to buckle her shoe. And what's it to any man, whether or no, whether I'm easy or whether I'm true? As I lifted her petticoat easy and slow, and I tied up me sleeve for to buckle her shoe. Where Lagan stream sings lullaby, there blows a lily fair. The twilight's gleam is in her eye, the night is on her hair, and like a love-sick lan of shield, she hath my heart in thrall. No life I own or liberty, for love is Lord of all. And of times when the beetle's horn hath lulled e'en to sleep, I steal into her shieling lawn, and through the dooring peep, there on the cricket singing stone, She spares the bogwood fire and hums in sweet, soft undertones the song of sweet desire. I'll take you home again, Kathleen, across the ocean wild and wide, to where your heart has ever been, since first you were my bonny bride. The roses all have left your cheeks, I've watched them fade away and die. Your voice is sad whene'er you speak, and tears meet in your loving eyes. Oh, I will take you back again to where your heart will feel no pain. And when the fields are fresh and green, I will take you to your home again. And when the fields are fresh and green, I will take you to your home, Kathleen. In Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first set my eyes on sweet Molly Malone, as she wheeled her wheelbarrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels alive, alive, oh, your turn. Alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels alive, alive, oh. That sounds smashing from up here. She was a fishmonger, and sure 'twas no wonder, for so were her father and mother before, and they both wheel their barrows through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels alive, alive, oh, you're on again. Alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels alive, alive, oh. She died of a fever, and no one could save her, and that was the end of sweet Molly Malone, but her ghost wheels her barrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, you're at your granny's, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive. One for Father Matthew, Matt Talbot.
Thank you very much indeed. Very kind of you. Do you fancy singing a chorus? Good, that's very good, because you play quite an important part in this song. You're going to sing the chorus for us. Now, not with us, for us. And we're going to sing this song, and I'm going to dedicate it to Michael Flatley. Why not? And because you're such an important part, I think we'll give them one rehearsal, John, will we? Yeah, we'll give you one rehearsal, and Barney McCann here will be taking notes. And euros, yeah. And that'll be more like it. And he'll be asking questions at the interval, so we can see tonight everybody who's not singing, by the way. So this is your bit. Are you ready? Up in the exciting seats as well. Family. Here's your bit. Are you ready? All the singers. Dance, dance, wherever you may be. I am the Lord of the dance, said he, and I lead you all wherever you may be, and I lead you all in the dance. Try that. You don't need us. Bit of dancing music. In the morning when the world was begun, I danced in the moon and the stars and the sun. I came down from heaven and I danced on the earth. At Bethlehem I had my birth. Dance, dance, wherever you may be. I am the Lord of the dance, said he, and I lead you all wherever you may be, and I lead you all in the dance, said he. I danced on the Sabbath, cured the lame. Holy people said it was a shame. They whipped, they stripped, they hung me high, left me there on the hill to die. Dance, dance, wherever you may be. Come on. I am the Lord of the dance, said he, and I need you all wherever you may be, and I need you all. Let it dance again. Danced on a Friday when the sky turned black. Hard to dance with the devil on your back. They buried my body, they thought I was gone, but I am the dance and the dance goes on. Dance, dance, wherever you may be. I am the Lord of the dance, said he, and I lead you all wherever you may be, and I lead you all in the dance, said he. They put me down, I leapt up high. I am the life that will never, never die. I live in you, you live in me. I am the Lord of the dance, said he. Dance, dance, wherever you may be. I am the Lord of the dance, said he, and I lead you all wherever you may be, and I lead
Jim McCann.
Down by the Sally Gardens, my love and I did meet. She passed the Sally Gardens with little snow-white feet. She bid me take love easy as the leaves grow on the tree. But I, being young and foolish, with her did not agree. In a field by the river, my love and I did stand, and on my leaning shoulder she laid her snow-white hand. She bid me take life easy as the grass grows on the weirs. But I was young and foolish, and now I am full of tears. 'Twas down by the Sally Gardens my love and I did meet. She passed the Sally Gardens with little snow-white feet. She bid me take love easy as the leaves grow on the tree. But I, being young and foolish, with her would not agree.
Traveled all over this wide world, and now to another I'll go. I know that good quarters are waiting to welcome our Roisin The Bow. To welcome our Roisin The Bow. To welcome our Roisin The Bow. I know that good quarters are waiting to send down a hot set of whiskey. Take a drink with our Roisin The Bow. Take a drink with our Roisin The Bow. Take a drink with our Roisin The Bow. Send down a hot set of whiskey. Take a drink with our Roisin The Bow. Then get a half dozen stout fellas and line them all up in a row. Let them drink out a half-gallon bottles to the memory of Roisin The Bow. To the memory of Roisin. To the memory of Roisin The Bow. To the memory of Roisin The Bow. Let them drink out a half-gallon bottles to the memory of Roisin The Bow. Let's make Fanny Seasick. dozen stout fellas and let them all stagger and go and dig a great hole in the meadow and in it put Roisin The Bow. You know what to do. And in it put Roisin The Bow. And in it put Roisin The Bow. Let them dig a great hole in the meadow and in it put Roisin The Bow. Well, I hear the old tyrant approaching, that cruel, remorseless old foe. I lift up me glass in his honour, take a drink without Roisin The Bow. Take a drink without Roisin The Bow. Take a drink without Roisin The Bow. I lift up me glass in his honour, take a drink without Roisin The Bow. Take a drink again. Take a drink without Roisin The Bow. Take a drink without Roisin The Bow. I lift up me glass in his honour, take a drink without Roisin The Bow. Well done, those singers.
Jim McCann on the chair with Roisin The Bow. Come on, Jim.
Oh, Mary, this London's a wonderful sight, with its people all working by day and by night. They don't sow potatoes, nor barley, nor wheat, but there's gangs of them digging for gold in the street. At least when I asked them, that's what I was told. So I just took a hand at this digging for gold. But for all that I found here, I might as well be where the mountains of Mourne sweep down to the sea. There's beautiful girls here, oh never you mind. Beautiful shapes, nature never designed. Lovely complexions of roses and cream. But let me remark, with regard to the same, that if of these roses you ventured to sip, you might find they'd all come away on your lip. Don't be starting these fashions, oh Mary Machree, where the mountains of Mourne sweep down to the sea. You remember young Danny McLaren, of course. Well, he's over here with the rest of the force. I met him one day as I crossed o'er the Strand, and he stopped all the cars with one wave of his hand. And as we stood talking of days that were gone, the whole town of London stood still and looked on. But for all his great powers, he's wishful like me, to be back where the dark morn sweep down to the sea. To be back where the dark morn sweep down to the sea. The pale moon was rising above the green mountain. The sun was declining beneath the blue sea, when I strayed with my love to the pure crystal fountain that stands in the beautiful vale of Tralee. She was lovely and fair as the rose of the summer, yet 'twas not her beauty alone that won me. Oh no, 'twas the truth in her eyes ever shining that made me love Mary, the Rose of Tralee. The cool shades of evening their mantle were spreading, and Mary, all smiling, was listening to me. The moon through the valley her pale rays were shedding, when I won the heart of the Rose of Tralee. Though lovely and fair as the rose of the summer, yet 'twas not her beauty alone that won me. Oh no, 'twas the truth in her eyes ever dawning that made me love Mary, the Rose of Tralee, that made me love Mary, the Rose of Tralee.
Not finished singing yet. Here we go. I've been a wild rover for many years, and I spent all my money on whiskey and beer. But now I'm returning with gold and great store, and I never want to play the wild rover no more. And it's now, they never no more. When I play the wild rover, no more. I went into an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady my money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay. Like the custom as yours I can.